Okay, PSP Projects is the company we're looking at now. Good set of earnings actually. The order pipeline has been robust while revenues have been aided by higher execution of ongoing projects. PS Patel, who is the chairman and CEO of PSP Projects, joins us on the phone line. Mr. Patel, good morning and thanks a lot for, good afternoon rather, and thanks for joining in. I want to just start by asking you about, your full year guidance, right? You've maintained your revenue margin and order inflow guidance for the full year. What is giving you this confidence in terms of order inflows? Because in the first half, it was on the muted side. You had about order inflows of 934 crores in the first half of the year. Can you tell us where will you end the year and what is the, what are the demand trends looking like now?
See, the overall revenue which we have given as a projection is about 1,600 crore. We are still positive about the same. We'll be able to reach that as we have declared. And about the pipeline, yes, if you can see our 4 years track record also, the first half or the first 2 quarters are not so big in terms of getting the orders also. So whatever the orders which we have declared till now, 958 crore and plus some of the orders are still in pipeline. Our bid book is still 4,800 crore plus if we add to this the large project of Delhi railway station, which we are already, that will be, that itself project is 4,800 crore. So almost 9,000 plus crore of bid pipeline is there. So we are much confident to reach to our projection of order book of 3,000 crore very easily by the end of the year.
3,000 crore order book, and you have a bid pipeline of close to 9,000 odd crores. Mr. Patel, just wanted to know what is the status of this Delhi station redevelopment that you're talking about? It was expected to come sometime this month itself. And also, over 50% of your business comes in from the government. Is there any risk of ordering activity slowing down ahead of the multiple elections that we have right now?
No, I personally don't see that any relaxation because of the election. Actually, the bid pipeline of 9,500 crore bid pipeline which we are having today, and still there are so many projects lastly announced by our honorable PM, and he was in Gujarat about 6,900 crore. So probably border inflow or the bid pipeline will not get reduced. The way the government is expanding and the way the corporate levels, the way the real estate companies are expanding. So I personally don't see any relaxation in terms of order inflow or bid inquiry because of the election.
Okay. Geographically, sir, your concentration is largely in Gujarat and UP. What are the projects outside these states that you're targeting, and what are you bidding for right now?
See, it's not about the that we are targeting only UP and Gujarat. Previously, also in Rajasthan, we have worked in Karnataka, we have worked in Hyderabad. So, in this bid pipeline, also we are bidding for some of the projects in UP again and some of the projects in Haryana, which is an AIIMS project, and one project in Hyderabad and Chennai also. It is always about the opportunity and type of competition and the type of pre-qualifying criteria which we get through. We always try to maintain ourselves in a niche competition. So I think there is no reluctance as far as the company is concerned to go concentrate only on Gujarat and UP. It is more about the opportunities which we get.
Okay. So, you were talking about the government projects as well. Just to clarify, in the second quarter, the contribution from government projects is now a little over 50%, correct? Mr. Patel, is my voice reaching you?
Yeah. I said yes.
Yeah.
It is
okay,
near
sorry.
50%. Yes.
I didn't hear that. Okay, so it's near a little over 50%. So just trying to understand going forward, because government project contribution is so high, are you facing any kind of execution delays, payment delays? Because, we are now heading into elections as well. So just trying to understand how it may play out for you as we get into the election year.
See, as far as our track record and the type of project, government project which we did, medical, my mostly focus is on medical when as far as project is concerned. In Gujarat, it is more on tourism. So these both the departments are the key departments of government where they concentratedly we have never had any problem related to payment. And as such, most of the projects are financially budgeted. So there is no way to pay enough payment, and we are hopeful that government focus on these two fronts is always better. So that won't be any issue related to election, and that won't be any issue related to payment. Yes.
Okay, all right. All right, Mr. Patel, we're going to leave it on that note. Thanks very much for joining in and speaking with us. So that's PSP Projects, quite bullish in terms of the order inflow. 3,000 crores is what they've targeted for FY24. We'll take a short break. On the other side, we will be focusing on the big bank, State Bank of India, which will be reporting its Q2 earnings on this Saturday. That's tomorrow. A preview coming up next. Stay tuned.